SC Verma solution, chapter 2, Physics and Mathematics, question number 2. Let A vector and B vector be two vectors of magnitude 10 unit each if they are inclined to the x-axis at angles 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the resultant. Here both A vector and B vector have equal magnitude and the magnitude is 10 unit, and suppose A vector makes 30 degree with the x-axis and B vector makes 60 degree with the x-axis. Let F denotes the magnitude of both A vector and A vector. Since both A vector and B vector have equal magnitude, and so let its magnitude be F. Their magnitude be F. Therefore, A vector magnitude is equals to F is equals to 10 unit. Also, B vector magnitude is equals to F is equals to 10 unit. Now, from here we can find the angle between A vector and B vector as 30 degree, because 60 degree minus 30 degree is equals to the angle between A vector and B vector is 30 degree, and let it be theta, denoted by theta. Theta is equals to 30 degree. Now we know if the vectors have equal magnitude, then resultant can be written by the formula 2f cos theta by 2. It is the formula when the two vectors have equal magnitude, then the resultant can be obtained by this formula 2f cos theta by 2. 2 dot f has the value 10 unit dot cos theta here is 30 degree divided by 2 is equals to 15 degree. Therefore, the magnitude of the resultant is 20 cos 15 degree. Now let us find the angle of the resultant. Also, if the two vectors have equal magnitude, then we know that the resultant bisects the angle between the vectors. Here the angle between A vector and B vector is 30 degree. Then suppose this one is the resultant, then this resultant will bisect this angle. This one will be theta by 2. The angle made by angle between resultant and A vector is also theta by 2, and the angle between B vector and resultant vector is also theta by 2. In this case, the resultant bisects the angle between the vectors. Thus, resultant makes this theta by 2 is equals to 15 degree with A vector, also with B vector. This resultant will make 15 degree with B vector as well. Thus, the resultant makes 15 degree with A vector, also with B vector. Hence, resultant makes this one is 15 degree, and this one angle made by A vector with x-axis is 30 degree is equals to 45. We sum, then 45 degree. This will give the angle made by resultant with x-axis. Therefore, resultant makes 45 degree with the x-axis. Hence, we can write resultant vector is equals to 20 cos 15 degree unit at 45 degree with x-axis. That means the resultant has the magnitude 20 cos 15 degree, and the angle made by the resultant with x-axis is 45 degree.